you, but I don't have the tool, and I'm just going by the math that the tool tells us to go by. But the key thing in a situation like this where you have brows, and I'm just going to hold this over this straight, where one is much higher than the other and the other one is much lower than the other, is you have to use the highest one as your guide for how high they're going to be, and your lowest one is the guide for how low they're going to be. So then I sketched, but I haven't really drawn it because I kind of wanted to wait and do it in front of you, but now I realize how hard it is for me to look through my phone and do anything. So and when I was doing this, I was using my ruler like you might use string if you are a string user to draw the relatively straight line. Then I can't remember. Yeah, I did already say how I determined 0.3 because I like 0.3 to be higher than 0.4. And so what I do also is I measure the distance between 0.3 and the corner of the eye. And it was 3, I'm working with a giant thing, so it's 3 centimeters. You will not be having anything that big. And the same thing over here. So I determined that where I had put 0.3 was the same height, basically. So now let me go